Hello again. Thanks for joining our series on how to supercharge your sales with System Surveyor. Imagine going to a doctor's office with a hurt leg. You tell him about it, and he takes a quick look and then tells you you need surgery. You might not have a high level of confidence in that diagnosis. But what if he had conducted a thorough exam, explaining his thinking and showing you an x-ray? You will probably have a much higher degree of confidence in the diagnosis because of his approach. And so just like a doctor, after you hear the customer's concerns and issues, it's time for the site survey and take a closer look at the facility to address the customer's problem. You create a layout with the required devices in System Surveyor with a simple drag and drop and capture important details as you go. Of course, video surveillance is a foundational technology of the security industry. One of the benefits of System Surveyor is that you can show the area that the camera will cover. We call this the area of coverage, and it's very easy to adjust. Use our boundaries features to show how the camera view might be blocked due to walls or other obstacles, so there's an accurate depiction of the area covered. Of course, you may want to have other devices where coverage area is important, such as motion detectors or other devices. All of these elements are available in System Surveyor and include the area of coverage feature. Use the search feature to quickly find the element that you need. For all the elements that you drop onto a floor plan, you'll want to capture a photo of exactly where the component will be mounted and get the agreement from the customer. Your customer will appreciate your attention to detail, and these photos will be very helpful for your installation team when the time comes. As you add elements to the floor plan, your customer will begin to see the system layout taking shape. They may notice areas where they need more coverage or where a different location may provide better coverage area. That's visual collaboration at work. Don't be surprised if the customer wants to take the tablet out of your hands and begin designing themselves. While System Surveyor makes dropping items on a floor plan and snapping photos easy, a good site survey can take some time if you truly want to get it right. In some cases, customers want to move quickly through their building, simply pointing at various areas of interest without even stopping. If that happens, I recommend asking them to take you on a quick tour to show you what's important to them, and then allow you to go back and create the layout and capture the photos and the details that you need. There you have today's tip on how to build confidence by capturing the details. Happy surveying.